Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I've got a top on-sale product recommendation that's perfect for all you tech enthusiasts and DIY developers. The ESP-30 x 1.54-inch e-paper smartwatch display. Priced at just $34.50. This innovative device is built on the powerful ESP32 platform and is designed for a wide range of development options including Arduino, Micropython, ESP-IDF, and even Zephyr-RTOS. This smart watch isn't just about telling time, it's a versatile open source gadget that connects via both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth LE. Imagine accessing internet APIs for weather, news, traffic, and even Spotify right from your wrist. The ultra-low power e-paper display is one of its standout features. It only uses power when updating, which means you get clear, readable information even in direct sunlight, all while keeping battery consumption to a minimum. Let's talk specs. This watch features a 1.54-inch display with a crisp 200 by 200 resolution, a 3-axis accelerometer with gesture detection, and a real-time clock with calendar and alarm functions for accurate timing. It comes with a built-in USB to serial adapter, so you can program it anytime, anywhere. Plus, with a built-in vibration motor and 4 high-quality buttons, it's ready for practical, everyday use. And for those of you who love customization, there are plenty of examples, cool watch faces, and even open source 3D case designs to experiment with. Battery life is impressive too. When it's just keeping time, you can expect 5 to 7 days of use, and even with occasional Wi-Fi data updates, you're looking at around 2 to 3 days on a single charge. And configuring your network is a breeze. Simply select Set Wi-Fi from the main menu, connect to the Watchy app network from your phone or laptop, and follow the simple on-screen instructions. If you're ready to dive into a world of endless possibilities with this innovative smartwatch, click the link in the description below to get yours now at $34.50. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more top on sale product recommendations. See you in the next video.